guys, what's going on? All right, so here's a surprise. We've got one car on bags, we've got maybe another, and then this one's on bags. So pretty much what we're going to be doing today is we're going on bags, and this is going to be amazing. First thing you want to do, of course, get your car into a nice shaded area. Now, I know this is a different scenery. We're not in the shop anymore, even though this kind of looks like a shop. Man, what happened to the shop?
Lease was finished up, and to renew the lease, landlord was selling the property and rent was going up. So we're looking for a new space at the same time. So I'm currently back at the house. It's kind of situated up a little bit so I can still continue to work and continue to LS swap for you guys. But with the whole COVID stuff and everything, it's been a little harder to find a spot, and with job situation and all that stuff. So it's coming. But right now we have a temporary setback, but again, it's not stopping us from doing what we love and creating content for you guys.
So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is you want to jack your car up and put it on 4 jack stands. Yes?
What's happening?
Hey, so quick update. If this thing will move properly, if it'll move, ta-da, ta-da.
What do you do?
Ta-da.
What is that?
Ta-da.
What is it?
Ta-da. Ta-da.
You bust a hole?
Ta-da.
Break a sharp tower?
Ta-da.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I can't zoom in like that. See, that. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Dirty finger. So I'm not in my car right now. As you can see, Melville's actually driving. We have to go pick up my tank. It's gonna be a pretty sweet color, but we're just gonna be running a few errands, get like MDF wood, some hose clamps, some other stuff, and I'm still very excited, stressed out, but excited. Very stressed, but nonetheless very excited. Thank you, my dude.
Absolutely, appreciate you.
This color came out amazing. Yo, shout out to the guys at Unit F14.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. This quick update, the bags are finally in. 1, 2, let's go around back here. 3 and 4. We're all in. Sorry we couldn't record. It is hot out here, and well, homeboy, his camera overheated, and well, it's really hot. He's sweating really hard. We're all sweating hard.
It's 100 outside.
It's 100 something outside in Texas degree, and very humid, and thankful for that. I'm very thankful for that, or else we'd be in my slope driveway doing this. But now we're going to be running the power lines and the air lines. I'll try to keep you guys updated, try to walk you through, but if I can't, I'm very sorry. We're on a deadline because, well,
We need the car running.
there's that, and his dad's just kind of,
He's coming in and out.
he's
Asking questions. You know, typical brown dad.
he's wondering why we're not done yet.
Yeah. He's like, why are you guys taking so long? And I was like, oh, okay.
I'm like, customization, but it's not working. Not trying to rush through it. I want to do it right because it is my only car. So let's get working. It's dark.
It's dark.
It's dark. You can't even see him.
Wow.
No, you really
Wow.
can't. Okay, there's the outline.
Guys, what was the motto? Black Lives Matter.
Black lives do matter. So we ran. I know I didn't bring you guys along. I'm sorry. I've been a little bit stressed, a little bit busy, but you can't see him yet. You really can't.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Ooh, I don't want them to see this. All right, cool. So ran the wire. I'll clean all that up. That's kind of tucked away in there. Ran the whole entire harness, tapped in underneath because they give you an ATA circuit. So I just tapped into the fuel pump line because I know that's ignition. So there's that. That's ran through. Ran underneath and through. And then there's your power and ground for the harness. Just kind of ran through that corner back there. And we're just gonna make sure we're gonna secure all the lines, but for right now we are almost done. Almost done. The tank is right here. The tank is one pretty color. And then there's a compressor, the manifold and all that. It looks a little bit dirty, but don't worry, we'll clean it up for the time being, all right? Stay tuned. Small update, guys. Manifolds on, tanks on, compressors on. So before you guys get mad at me and blow me up in the comments, but no one does, but I'm letting you guys know, please comment in the comments. Good or bad, I don't care. I just want some comments. I'd love to hear y'all's feedback, good or bad. But we're not cleaning anything up. It's just for temporary purposes only, just so nothing flies around. And before I get my final trunk setup done, it could be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month before we kind of figure everything out, because I gotta get lights and all this, blah blah blah. But this is where we're at. We don't know what's going on yet, just because we still have to connect everything, make sure no air leaks are happening, this and that, blah blah blah. But I'm keeping you guys along. Thank you so much for being patient, and we know it's dark, he's right here, but thanks for sticking with us. I really appreciate it. So while he's recording, you guys can't hear me probably, but hey, everything's going. It's hooked up. We've got no air leaks. We're at 130 psi. But see, the one thing that we forgot to mention, and see, I didn't know, is that when you hook up your air compressor, you think everything's hooked up, but no. There's this little ring that you have to put in, or else your compressor will start off strong, but there's no back pressure because it's just letting air out from that little thing. So make sure to screw that in. If you don't have one, get one. Contact someone to get one. But I really recommend that. But right now, everything's fine. We have no air leaks, and it's
good so far.
It's 12 hours later, and we're tired.
Okay, majority of the time we kind of wasted due to some issues about not having the fitting, which is fine.
Oh, dude, I'm so tired. I almost fell. Oh, God. Is this mine? I don't even know where mine is. Yeah. Oh, mine's right there. Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Luckily, since this car's not running, we were able to take the parts car. We were able to take the fittings off that, put it onto here, and then until we get the new one from Airlift.
What's going on, guys? It's like 2:30 in the morning, like 12 hours.
Late night.
It's been a late night, but we've had some learning experiences
and some hiccups. But
we're in the car. We're at Taco Bell. We're at Taco Bell right now, and as you can tell, I'm not that happy. I'm very sleepy, but I'm over the moon. We got this done
because we know for a fact that if we just stopped where we were and he took one of my cars home, that he would not be able to sleep at night or whatever. Like, he's gonna be thinking about like everything. But
I would have woken up at 5 a.m. and we would have been right back at this.
But we got it done. And it turned out great.
Yup. So I want to say thank you so much. A heartfelt thank you to the new team members, I guess I want to say that. New sponsors for believing in me. And it's actually thanks to this guy, because I wouldn't have gotten this sponsorship. So yeah, the channel now, the car, myself, we're now sponsored, we're affiliated with Airlift. Very excited about that. I can't wait for future videos. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, leave some comments below.